What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Dustin with Jersey Shore Drainage Solutions, and today we're going to help prevent another yard and pool from flooding. So let's get right into it. All right, well, the issue seems to be here is that all this concrete goes around the entire pool, but it's kind of sloped towards the pool, so that all the water ends up building up in here and it's starting to float our liner, and it cannot escape at all. You could see yesterday when we came here and dug this little hole, I mean, the water was already up almost like not even an inch under the rock. So what we're gonna do over here is go under all this concrete. We're gonna have a catch basin down here, go straight through, come underneath, catch basin, catch basin, catch basin, so that way we can try to relieve any water that gets stuck in here. It'll have an ability to be able to flow out. So let's get right into it. And here we go. Finally got underneath this giant walkway here. And now we have the pipe through. We're gonna have the catch basin here, rock underneath, rock around, catch basin in that corner, catch basin in this corner, mini drywalls under all of them, and then end with a mini drywall over there. So, time to pipe it all up. All right, now I have it all completely piped up. End catch basin there with the mini drywall. Everything underneath the sidewalk. Got the one catch basin, mini drywall all around it. Same over here. Same over there. We are downhill level here, so that way everything's gonna collect, come in, move into the center. Downhill level here, so that way everything's gonna collect, come over here to the center. Build up, come down, and then let all the water drain on the other side of the fence, which then goes to the forest in the back. And this pipe over here is pretty sure extremely downhill all the way. Yep. So as soon as it builds, everything starts building up and starts moving, it's gonna move. Just like that. Now, to backfill everything and show you how it all works. And here we go. This is how I'm testing the system. We know everything gets trapped in here, so we go ahead and just simulate a heavy rain, putting the hose in there, and then the water is just going to travel all the way around, and instead of being trapped, it's going to be able to flow out instead of having to back build and then be stuck in here and have no choice but to keep going down in the ground. So now as it builds up in here, because it's mini drywall all around it, so the water doesn't always have to just come in one direction, it can come from everywhere. And as it starts to come in and build in, goes to the next one, builds in, and then everything's going to come out here to the end and start to fill in. And then when this maxes out, it's also draining into the ground with the mini drywall underneath, and then it can have the ability that when that's full, it'll build up top and then flow out into the woods of no beyond. Now to wait till it builds up. And here we go, simulate on this side. We have the flood going, all the water builds up, it's trapped, comes in, it's building in all around and coming up underneath from all the holes, and then you can see it as it starts to move. It's moving all the water, going all the way down here to the catch basin, and then this is maxing out, and then after it maxes out, the water builds up, goes out, and goes to the woods. That's exactly how you eliminate water from flooding your yard, or in this case, around your pool, with some catch basins. As always, like, share, comment, subscribe, and until the next one.